Hello everyone, I'm Samuel.
And I'm Violaine.
Today we're gonna talk about modal auxiliaries, obligation and probability with the auxiliaries must and have to. We will show you how to use it in the present and the past form. Are you ready?
Rule number one. For obligation, we will use must and have to. At the present, there is no difference. They both have the same meaning.
So, by example, in Canada, you must taste the poutine. Or in Canada, you have to taste poutine. So it is possible for you to understand that it both mean the same meaning, that it's an obligation for you to taste poutine in Canada. Rule number two. In negative form, in the present, must and have to indicate that something is not necessary. But in the negative form, must not means that something is not permitted, so it is forbidden.
Example, in Algeria, you must not eat pork. So it's almost a law that you cannot eat it.
Or don't have to mean that there is no obligation for you. You can do it, but it's just if you want.
Example, in Montreal, you don't have to wear the veil, so you do it if you want to do. You wear it if you want.
It's your choice.
Rule number three. At the past form, must can indicate an obligation or that something is probable. So we can use must like to mean that something is necessary. At the past form we use must like have to or had to, and have to is used also as the past form had to. So
By example, yesterday I had to take the plane to go to Sochi because it is necessary for me to go to Sochi at the Olympics.
and both auxiliary are the same at the past for necessity have had to and had to for must and have to. And when you use must for something that is probable, the past form is must have and the past participle.
By example, yesterday after his gold medal, he must have been tired. So it is probable that after his day, he was tired.
We make a supposition.
Rule number 4. Question form. So, must, we use it at need to. So, by example,
Must we speak Austrasian in Madagascar? It's not really a common use. It's more a formal use that we use only like in books, but not really in the speaking. So we use do we need to speak Australian in Madagascar? We use this form with the need.
and with have to is a regular verb. We need to add do, does, or did to the question form.
By example, do we have to do we have to believe in the same God? So when we use the we use the do. And by example, does or did a woman have to be married before having kids? So at the present form we use does because woman is like he she it, and did because it's the past form.
So, like you can see, we use many reference. So you can go on those website or in the Avenue tree to page 58 to 61
We hope that you enjoy and that you learn something new.
in English. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.